Today I'm going to show you how to iron a white shirt quickly but perfectly. So, how do you start? First of all, you need a lot of steam. So, I'm going to use my Laurastar and I'm going to start with the yoke. So, the yoke is this side of the shirt and I'm just going to start ironing this part and ironing the other side. So it's nice and flat. What is the next part I'm gonna do? Well, I'm gonna do the sleeve. The sleeve is always quite hard to do, but by putting some steam and the Laurastar DMS steam inside the sleeve, it's much easier. So how do you do this part? Very simple, the round part. You just iron with steam once and come back to fix the fiber, and there it is. Now, the other side, because there are both sides. So do exactly the same. Steam. And it renders your fiber more flexible. And then once with steam, once without, once with steam, once without. And don't forget this side. Make it nice and round. So there you have it, the two sleeves. So now what do I do? So most people, they really iron their shirt like this. So really it's not needed. What you have to do, and look, it's a trick that's gonna save you at least 30 seconds. Just turn it upside down and you iron it the other way. Once with steam, once without, once with steam. And there you have it, perfect. So by using a Laurastar, I have what we call an active table. So I'm gonna press, and there you have perfect air. I'm ironing like on an air balloon, and it's perfect. And I'm not making any false creasing. So then I continue to do the shirt. Always important to have one with steam, once without steam, because we tend to put too much steam inside the clothes. And what happens when you put too much steam? Then the creases come back, okay? One time with, one time without, one time with, one time without. Nice. And this part, the other side, which is one of the most important because it's the one of the most visible part. So this part, make it nice and flat. With the active table from Laurastar, I'm gonna have the suction. This is specific to Laurastar. And then you iron with, you fix with steam, you fix with steam, you fix. Woo, it's nice. And how do I finish the shirt? By the color. Once with steam, once without to fix, and then make sure you have the color nice and round. You can also make a small crease here, but make sure this stays round, okay? And there you have it, just perfect.